So the M3h is an amazing bit of kit. It's fitted into our production line seamlessly, offers amazing quality on print, and also increases the offering to our clients and the marketplace. So Ottimo Digital is a large format printer based in Newport, South Wales, and we are servicing the exhibitions and events industry.
With the M3h, we're looking to improve the speed and quality of prints versus the old VUTEk LX3. The biggest difference the M3h has made to daily production is that we're able to print sheets faster. We've gone from 2.5 minutes a sheet to 1.5 minutes a sheet now. It allows us to focus on other jobs and give them a little bit more love and time.
So this was the perfect machine for us to be able to offer quality and keep up with the fast turnarounds that our clients expect. This was due to speed, quality and price point.
The features of the M3h that have made the biggest production impact are the larger vacuum bed, which allows us to pin sheets more effectively, opens up a wide range of different materials that we can now print on that we couldn't before. We used to struggle with digital floor liner on the LX3. It wouldn't pin down very well and the colour consistency would band because of the lack of tension. The multi-layer print facility allows us to print whites and different materials at a faster and higher quality. The installation and training ran very smoothly from CMYUK. The process was slick. We could only do it certain times a year and they accommodated our needs.
So the investment is a commitment to future growth. We're trying to stay as competitive as we can within the industry, and the M3h was the machine that ticked all the boxes for that, really.